Hi, I'm Nehan and I'm 12 years old and I love making 3D designs in Blender. Today I'm showing you my B2 bomber creation. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Your support really motivates me, so please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see the fully 3D printed B2 bomber bringing aviation engineering to life in miniature form. Now let's dive into the design. We're going to go and add a reference image. So now that I have a reference image, I'm just going to trace the reference image. So I'm going to import a plane. That is a cube. So I'll be importing a plane. Okay. And I'm obviously going to just correct it. So right now I am just rotating it with the R and then clicking the axis I want to rotate it on. So R and then I click X or R and then I click Y. So now I'm going to make a plane. I'll delete one. Oh, we're just going to delete every single side till we have one single dot left. Then we're going to be pressing the extrude command. This will extrude it. Okay, we're just tracing it. If you can't really see, I think you might want to zoom in. But all I'm doing is clicking the E command and matching them with the outer lines. This might not look the same as the model on the front page. So now what I'm going to do, okay, now we're going to select both points and click merge vertices at center. Okay. So now I am using it to fill. I'm clicking F and I've clicked Control T. I don't believe I've used this command before. I think I've clicked it by accident. But all I'm trying to do is I'm gonna be trying to add a loop cut. So it seems like the loop cut isn't currently working. Okay, I've just finished extruding it. Okay, once I've done extruding it, now I will be going on to the other task and I'm going to be clicking Control T, which will make triangular faces. So, okay, now we're just selecting one plane. and we're selecting two planes and we're just clicking inset. Now I'm just pushing them up with G plus Y, which will dip. So I'm pulling this up. Okay, now what we're doing is I'm inserting the whole thing. So just like that. Then I'll be pushing it up with Y. And now what we're going to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise them slightly above the ground. And I'm also doing this one. I'm pushing it slightly above because it's the main area. It looks a little bit funky, but that should be fine. So now what I'm going to do actually is this is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.